All right, here we have an original Maxwell here at Dairy Queen. Show us what you got there.
Confetti cake.
Yes, this is Dairy Queen, and this is the confetti cake blizzard.
It's already melting.
Yes, go ahead and try it. Confetti cake blizzard here at Dairy Queen. Let us know what it's like. Does it taste like cake? It's got little like
Sprinkles.
little sprinkles, like cake sprinkles in there.
And pieces of cake.
Does it have pieces of cake in it? Show us a piece of cake. Does it taste like cake? Can I try it? Oh, now I don't want to try it. There's a piece of cake. Here. I'm going to go ahead and try it, see if I can find myself a piece of cake in there. There we go. There's one right there. There you go.
Really? Can I try it?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna try your banana split.
Okay, I'll do that.
I'm not.
Here in a separate video. But anyway, this is the Dairy Queen.
Can I try it?
What's this called again?
I want to try it.
What's this called again? Confetti?
Yeah.
Confetti
cake.
blizzard. Confetti cake blizzard at Dairy Queen.
Gosh.
Alright, Mia wants to try it. Mia
No,
wants to
I
try it.
need to spit it.
Alright, let Mia try it.
Let me pick it up on myself. Oh my gosh.
What do you think? Is it good? You don't like it? No. Mia got the mint Oreo blizzard, but she doesn't want to. That's nice, Mia.
Yeah.
She spit it out. She got the mint Oreo blizzard,
Just cover that.
but she doesn't want to review it.
She used way too many napkins.
Yes. Anyway, let's pretend we didn't see that. Mia did not care for that blizzard, but Max does.